हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं एक लेटर शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मैंने खुद के लिए लिखा है। और इस लेटर के बाद आई समहाउ फेल लाइटर, आई वाज एट ईज एंड मुझे कहीं न कहीं बहुत चीज़ें रियलाइज़ हुई जो मैं ऊपर बहुत शांत हुई इसको लेटर को लिखकर। एंड मुझे ये भी रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैं अकेली तो नहीं होंगी जो इस फेज़ से गुज़र रही है, जो ये सब फ़ील कर रही है। देयर माइट बी पीपल हू आर फीलिंग द सेम वे, हू आर गोइंग थ्रू द सेम फेज़। सो हियर आई एम गोना रीड दैट लेटर आउट लाउड टू यू। अगर आप अपने 20s या 30s में हो या फिर आप कोई भी उस फेज़ में हो जहाँ पे यू आर जस्ट हसलिंग, grinding and just figuring it all out, I think you need to hear this. So it goes like, Dear me, you've made it to 30. And I know that sentence feel like both an achievement and a question mark. There are days you wake up full of drive, ready to chase the life you dream of, and then there are days when showing up feels like the biggest task. You thought by now life would look a certain way, more sorted, more structured, maybe even a little shinier. And it even is. But here you are with blurry plans, unexpected turns, and heart that still believes. I know you feel behind sometimes, like everyone else has cracked the code and you're still trying to find the damn key. But let me remind you of something that no one ever says loud enough. You are not late. You are not lost. You are not alone. You are building a life that's yours. Not a highlight reel, not a checklist, but something real. And real takes time. You have spent years being strong, make it work, pushing through, and strength isn't just about hustle. It's about those quiet moments when you sit with your doubts, cry in silence, and still wake up in the next day willing to try again. You have carried guilt, grief, dreams, responsibilities, expectations, and still managed to hold space for softness, joy, and a little hope. I know you wonder, will it all be worth it? Will I get there? Let me tell you this. You are already becoming her. The version of you've been chasing, she's not the finish line. She's here in every brave decision, every quiet comeback, every time you choose not to give up. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to keep moving with all your heart. And one more thing. On the days you feel tired, confused, unsure of where this is going, look around. Look at the small joys, your people, the small wins, the version of you who's still trying. And that's the proof. That's progress. That's something to be proud of. So take a breath, soften your shoulders. You're not broken. You are becoming. And you're doing so well. I am proud of you. Not for the things you have achieved, but for who you have stayed through it all. With love. The you who finally started believing. And yeah, that was the letter. Honestly, I was in tears when I was writing it, and I know I will come back to it again and again. अगर आपको भी सुन के कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा better feel हुआ है तो save it, come back to it again, and lastly I'll say keep grinding, keep trying, keep pushing hard, because one day we will definitely get there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.